Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting numbers you can act on immediately. Itemize direct costs like materials, labor, and shipping per unit so you know the baseline. Once done, allocate a fair portion of fixed overhead, rent, utilities, equipment, expressed as a per unit cost to capture true expense. Then pick your target margin, a percentage or dollar markup that covers growth goals. This decision drives the math that follows and explains why each cost line matters to your final sales price. You now perform the core calculations. Add direct costs and allocated overhead to get total cost, then apply your chosen margin to compute a cost plus sales price. Next, compare that result with competitor and market prices to ensure feasibility and positioning. Premium versus value matters. Make sure to model sensitivity by varying volume, unit cost, and margin to observe price elasticity. That shows how small changes affect profit and helps you select the best final number for your strategy. You finalize the sales price by rounding to a customer-friendly dollar amount and documenting rationale for internal alignment. Once live, test with an A/B price or short promotion to validate demand and refine based on behavior. This confirms whether your assumptions hold. Monitor conversion rate, average order value, margin dollars, and returns weekly. If results deviate, troubleshoot by checking input costs, competitive shifts, or customer feedback. Adjust margin or cost allocations and retest until.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.